Hey, boys and girls. Remember when we read the text, the festival, and you found you found the main topic, and we said the main topic was the school's festival? Well, now we're going to go back into that text, but this time I want you to look for the key details that support the main topic, the school festival. I'll reread it for you. Please follow along with me, and when I'm finished, please at least fill out 2 key details that support the main topic, the school festival. Here we go. The title says, The Festival. My school had a world festival. I think every school should have one. We celebrated different countries and cultures around the world. The best part was the music. I liked dancing to the music too. I even played music. My friend Jose is from Puerto Rico. He shared neat things about his homeland. People speak Spanish there. They eat fruits like guava and mango. They dance to salsa music. Jose let me try the maracas. I like the sound they make when they shake. I learned about other places around the world at the festival. I heard different languages. I saw instruments that made different sounds. I ate food that was new to me. I know that people are different. People come from different places around the world. We all live in America. Being different makes our country strong. It makes it special. All right, boys and girls, so you're going to get your graphic organizer now, and I want you to find 2 key details from the text that I just read to you, and I want you to write them in 2 of the boxes. Remember, your main topic you've already determined was the school's festival. So now I just need you to find 2 key details that tell me more about the school's festival. If you need to hear the passage again, watch the video. Good luck.